Today I made this brown butter banana bread. I have never used brown butter in my banana bread. I tried it and it is a total game changer. Tasted so good. Let me show you how I made it. I'm using 3 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the better. I'm gonna just mash it down with a fork. You can use a masher, use whatever you like. Once it looks like this, set that aside. Adding butter to my pot. On low heat, just stir and continue to stir until your butter browns like this. Remove from the heat, add to a bowl, and let that cool completely before you start adding the other ingredients. I'm adding sugar and brown sugar. Give that a whisk, and then adding some vanilla extract. You can use banana extract if you like, and some large eggs. Whisk again, and then I'll be adding in all my banana mixture. Give that another whisk, then add the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Also, if you want a really moist banana bread, add some milk. That I think is the key ingredient here also. Give that a quick whisk. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. I normally add walnuts to my banana breads, but I didn't have any, so I decided I'm going to try pecans. This was a game changer. I absolutely loved it with the pecans rather than the walnuts. Call me crazy, but it tasted super delicious. I'm using a cake release to just brush on my loaf pan. This cake release is amazing for all your baking needs. Then I'm just going to top it off with some brown sugar. That's optional. I always like to add it on there. Then just swirl that around a little bit, getting that brown sugar right in there. This is also optional, but this is what I like to add on top of my banana breads. Plus, it makes it look pretty. Anyways, grab a good banana, cut off the ends, and then make sure when you slice it in the middle that they are even. Place those right on top. Bake at 375 degrees for about 1 hour or so. But when you test it and it comes out clean, then that means it's done. Let it cool for about 20 minutes. That cake release is awesome. Look how quick it just came out of the loaf pan. Then I'm going to let this cool completely before I slice into it. And when I was slicing into this banana bread, it just sliced so smooth. I could feel how moist it was. This brown butter banana bread was everything. Start using brown butter on your recipes. Like I said, I had never used it before for my banana bread, but I will start because it did make a huge difference. Save this recipe. You're definitely going to want to make this.